Hi, this is Yana with Mockys. Today I'm going to show you how to add an age and name to a cake topper. Let's go ahead and upload the design. I already have it loaded in, but let me show you how it's done. Upload, find your file. You would need the topper SVG and hit save. Once you have it here, click on it and insert image. Here we have the design. Let me make the screen a little bit smaller so we can see what we're working with. Depending on your cake size, you can adjust the design to make it smaller or larger. This is a pretty big design, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit shorter. Let's do 6.5 width. So to get started, I would recommend to ungroup the layers. It depends if you have a long name or a short name. If your name is short, you would have to fit it between these two lines. If it's longer, you will need to select this line and move it up. Let me show you what I mean. Let's get started by hitting text, and let me show you short name first. I want to choose the font Arial Bold. It's a standard font found in your computer. If you don't have this font, don't worry, you can choose any font you have on your computer, anyone you like. I like to use Arial Bold because it stands out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bring the name and stretch it so it touches both lines. Let me zoom in so we can make sure it's clear. So it needs to touch just a little bit, overlap both lines, doesn't need to be too much, and we can align the name. So this would be a short name. If you had a longer name, let's see, for example, if we double click here and type in, let's see, Carla. This is clearly a longer name and we need to fit between these lines. So first what you do is you make it fit within the above line. And the reason we ungrouped everything is because we want to take this line and bring it up. Hold shift and bring it up. The name touching both the top and the bottom. Now all we need to do is follow the similar way as we added the name. We need to add the age inside this little flower. So let's take the text tool and let's say she's 8 years old. We're gonna take the age and again stretch it. Make it as big as you have the design, as long as it touches the bottom. It does not need to touch the top, but it's okay if it does. It needs to touch the bottom dots so it can all hold together. That's it, you're pretty much done. The very final step is very important, so go ahead and hit select all so it takes all the layers, and then weld. Now you see weld results, everything is all together. It's gonna cut as one piece. That's all. Have fun creating. Bye.